Alright, guys, welcome back to Martial Tutorial. Today, yesterday I went to Target. I got the Target exclusive Gravedigger Champion Collection with the trading card. Here's the back. The one I have, this is Mohawk Warrior, and I unboxed it, I think like a year ago. There's Champion Collection, guys, with the painted headers and the BKT paper. Only at Target. I'm going to go to Target tomorrow and see what I find tomorrow. Alright, let's go and open this. Alright. So here's the Gravedigger. There we go, there it is. Oops. The black painted exhaust, which is nice. BKT tires. The skull up here, the skull mountain, the names of the trucks. Of course, the headlight printing we know. The correct wide front, we know that. Same on this side, but I love the black hair, which is nice. It feels like different. It feels like matte. It's weird. Green no cage, gray chassis, black tires. Pretty cool. And here's a champion card. Gravedigger Champion Collection. So I got 3 more things to unbox, guys. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.